Bye! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and you're still watching HUbby Hacks! Okay, well, it's 10 in the evening guys and I thought of vlogging kasi meron kasi kami nabili guys sa landmark and kailangan ko na talaga siya i-vlog kasi gagamitin na namin siya bukas. And I really thought guys of sharing this with all of you kasi last March kasi guys, during the early part of the lockdown period, nasira kasi yung aming rice cooker. Alright? I bought it for around 1,000 and what we were really after for is rice cooker na yun guys is yung lock. Is yung size niya guys, it was really big enough. At the same time, yung kanyang takip na when you close it, talagang lock siya. So, napreserve yung heat or nakikip warm talaga yung aming rice. And it's a good thing guys na pinahiram kami ni ate. So currently this is what we're using. So we actually had the same brand when we bought our first rice cooker guys, and it only lasted for a year and 2 months. And that's when we realized guys it's very important to invest in quality products. Alright? And rice cooker is one of them. Talaga naman kailangan natin pag-investan din, especially if we have the budget to do so. Alright, so kaya naman guys, for this vlog, I will show you a recent purchase that we had. At yun na nga yung ating rice cooker guys. I will also show you the brand. I will also share with you guys the price. Because perhaps, who knows, you might find this interesting, you might find this useful, worth it, kumbaga, and you might just decide to purchase for yourself, right? Tulad na nasabi ko sa inyo kanina that it's just, if you have the budget guys, then why not invest in quality products? At isa na nga yung ating rice cooker guys, and see, para naman talaga mas tumagal siya, alright? And you will really see the value of the money then guys, and you, well, it's still very important guys, so we don't spend beyond our means, but also at the same time a lot budget for things, especially for those appliances that we use on a daily basis. At yun yung na-realize ko guys, yun yung na-realize namin ng YP. That's why bumili na talaga kami ng pwede na brand na hopefully na talagang tatagal na siya. So, introducing to you guys this Tefal Rice Cooker. Alright. So what we'll do guys, we'll try to unbox it and I want you guys to see the features and how it looks. Alright, so let's just quickly go through guys the description or the features of this rice cooker guys. So again, the brand is Tefal. So basically guys, this is 10 cups or 1.8 liters. Alright, so as you can see here guys, it has 4 major features guys. So the first one is it has a delayed start, so you can actually set it guys for a specific hour before it would actually cook. Alright, so it can keep warm and delayed start up to 15 hours. So let's say guys, you are busy doing something else, alright, but you want to make sure that you cook it together with your viands, for example. So what you do guys is you can set it for a delayed start, so you can set it for a specific hour para sumabay din siya sa pagkaluto ng viands mo guys, especially kung marami kang niluluto na viands, okay? That's one way to really keep warm yung ating rice or whatever you are cooking here in this rice cooker guys. Kasi guys, hindi lang po rice ang kaya ng lutuin. Mamaya we'll know kung ano pa yung mga klaseng pagkain ang kaya niyang lutuin. Alright? Now, another feature guys is yung kanyang ceramic pot. So it's a durable 1.8 millimeters ceramic pot with diamond shaped coating. Wow, that's really interesting. And then it has 10 functions to make your daily cooking easy guys. So definitely you have 10 options for cooking. 10 options guys for cooking. As you can see here, there's a menu, so there are buttons guys that you can push or you can click. And this one is basically guys, this one is a digital rice cooker. One option that you can take guys is steam basket for healthy cooking of vegetables, fish, and dim sum. So that's just one option, guys. So those are just a few of the options that you can do with this rice cooker, guys. Now I'm so excited to open it, so let's try to open it, guys. Alright, so inside the box, guys, you would see the actual set. So inside the box, guys, you would see, of course, yung ating mismong item, our rice cooker item, guys. So this is the actual item, guys. So as you can see, it's just right. The size is just right, guys, and I like the color. It's a combination of silver and black, or gray or black, guys. Again, that's what I've shared with you kanina. It's digital, guys, so you would see the buttons here and the menu specifically. And these are the options that you can go for, guys, when you cook. So it has a quick option or expert option. So I asked the sales lady kanina, guys, kung anong difference ng quick and expert. Sinabi niya yung quick, guys, is for the rice, and expert is also for the rice cooking. But the difference in terms of cooking, guys, is yung the difference is yung pagkaluto daw ng rice. What? Quick kasi is madalian talagang pagluto. And the expert naman, guys, is yung parang extensive cooking na hopefully lasang-lasa mo yung grain ng rice. Hopefully, tignan natin, alright? Other options would be for you to cook congee, and then there's also an option for you guys to reheat it, and then soup, steam, and then you can also cook cake here. Wow, amazing. For you to move from one option to another, guys, let's say from quick to expert, you can just click menu, right? And when you are fully decided, guys, of the option that you want to take, then you can just click start. Now, these buttons here, guys, the right, left, and right options are for the time delay. So if you want to set it for a specific hour, guys, and you can just click this one or click this to increase or reduce the number of hours. Kasi diba kanina, guys, another feature of this rice cooker, guys, is for you to set it on delayed start. Now we can finally open it, guys, but before that, as you can see, guys, the design is actually classy, guys, and it's a bit heavy. Actually, it's because of the materials for use na talaga ng quality materials na ginamit sa kanya, guys. You can really see and you can really feel that the materials are sturdy or strong enough, guys, and that's the bottom part. Alright. So basically, guys, so this one is the handle, guys, and this one is the button for you to open it. You just have to press it for you to open it. And at the same time, guys, this one, dito lalabas yung parang steam niya. So natatanggal siya, guys, para easier for you to clean it. O, diba? So let's return it. Oh, let's try to open it. There you go, guys. So ito yung kanyang interior. So of course, it has a free cup. Measuring cup, guys, for our rice. And we also have this. Ito yung pangsalo ng steam. So ilalagay natin siya dito. There you go. Alright, of course. And bilang, now, of course, guys, yung ating sandok. And bilang kaya mo rin magluto dito ng soup, guys, so meron din siyang kasamang ganito pang soup. O, diba? Other items, guys, of course, includes, so of course, it has the cordon. And ito, guys, buti nakita ko to agad-agad na hindi siya yung usual na cord natin or plug. So kaya, good thing na bumili agad ako nito para compatible siya sa aming saksakan dito sa kitchen. Alright, and then we also have this. I'm not sure kung para saan to, but I'll discover it later. It's for our steamer, because kasama rin siyang steamer, and I like the color black. And ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, the ceramic pot. So this one, guys, is 1.8 mm ceramic pot with diamond shape coating, guys. So basically, napaka-sturdy niya, guys, napaka-strong niya, and hopefully, guys, mag-last talaga siya. This one is, again, Tefal Rice cooker, guys, and I got this one for $3,999. Hopefully, it will really last, guys, let's say for 4 years, para 1,000 per year. Alright? And what's good about this rice cooker, guys, kasi natatanggal to siya. Ito yung sa parang steam niya, guys, para lumabas yung steam niya at hindi siya sumabog, right? Kasi previously, guys, sa dati naming rice cooker, hindi to siya natatanggal eh. So it's easier for you guys to clean it, diba? And return it. So that easy, guys, and that simple. Of course, guys, our rice cooker also comes with a manual. So ito yung ganang manual, guys. So nandito lahat ng instructions, guys, and this one is in English. And there you go. So it's in English, guys. And it has, of course, warranty, guys. 1 year warranty. So So far, so good talaga siya. Another good feature of this product, guys, is yung kanyang lock. It's very tight, guys. Look at this. O, diba? Rinig mo yung tunog talagang. So when you open it, it's just so easy for you to open it. And when you lock it, you would really see that it's really tight enough, guys. Na hindi lumabas yung kanyang heat or talaga para ma-keep warm yung ating rice sa loob. So mamaya, guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin, like how this digital setup works, okay? Pag magsasaing na ako mamaya. Alright, but for the meantime, guys, maraming salamat for watching my video. I hope that you continue to support me, guys, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that bell button, guys, for notification and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you all again, guys, in my next videos. Maraming salamat once again. Be safe, everyone. Bye-bye! Alright, so as you can see it, guys, the cooking is just so smooth. So you can see, guys, how the steam is just slowly coming out of the unit na walang talsik. Tingnan mo siya, guys. So talagang malinis yung kanyang pagkakaluto so far, guys. So again, this is our Tefal rice cooker, guys, and so far it's just so good. Here's another interesting feature of this product, guys, or this rice cooker. It also indicates, guys, the number of minutes that you have to wait for more bago tuluyang maluto yung ating rice. It is finally cooked, guys, and see how neat and clean this cooking is. So tingnan niyo siya, guys. So sobrang linis ng pagkaluto sa kanya. So ang steam niya, guys, ba, diba, wala siyang trace of any steam at all. So ganun siya ka-neat, then ganun siya ka-linis, guys, yung cooking nitong ating Tefal rice cooker. So talaga namang napakasulit nitong ating Tefal rice cooker. And now let's try to check, guys, yung ating rice sa loob. Before that, let me just turn this on so you can better see it. So ta-da-dang! Ganyan yung ating rice, guys, sa loob. So, and let's try to taste it later, guys, kung masarap ba talaga yung pagkaluto ng ating rice with this Tefal rice cooker.